Okay, today discussed regarding the last chapter 5 of Power Electronics and PLC, that is PLC and its applications. First one is, what is the actual meaning of PLC? Why the PLC stands for? The PLC means the Programmable Logic Controllers. The first Programmable Logic Controllers introduced in late 1960s, developed to offer the same functionality as the existing relay logic systems. Programmable, reusable and reliable, could withstand a harsh industrial environment. They had no hard drive, they had battery backup, could start in second, used ladder logic for programming. What are the needs of program logic controllers? The hardware's panels were very time confusing to wear, debug and change. GM identified the following requirements for the computer controllers to replace hardware panels: solid state, not mechanical, easy to modify input on output devices, easily programmed and maintained by plant electricians, be able to function in an industrial environment, etc. A programmable logic controller is a specialized computer used to control machines and processes. It uses a programmable memory to store instructions and specify functions. That include on-off control, timing, counting, sequencing, arithmetic and data handling. What are the advantages of program logic controller control systems? There are several advantages of program logic controllers than other control systems. First one is, PLC or program logic controller is flexible in nature. Second one is, program logic controller has a faster response time. Third one is, program logic controller has a less and simpler wiring. Fourth one is, program logic controller has solid state and having no moving parts. Fifth one is, program logic controllers are in modular design, hence they are easy to repair and expand. As the program logic controllers having modular designs, hence from the repairing point of view and expansion point of view, this one is one of the advantageous one. Next, PLC handles much more complicated systems. Sophisticated instructions sets are available in program logic controller than other control systems. If the instruction sets are not sophisticated, then it permits and gives not good control systems. Here, hence, the program logic controller having such advantage that it is sophisticated instruction sets available. It allows for diagnostic, easy to troubleshoot. It allows diagnostic, that is easy to troubleshoot. If some trouble arises there, then it allows for diagnostics, or if some maintenance is required, it allows some diagnostics, hence easy to troubleshoot. Next, program logic controller systems has a less expensive. These are not cheap, but these are less expensive in nature. Next, advantages of PLC control systems: eliminates much of the hardwiring that was associated with the conventional relay control circuit. This one is the conventional relay control circuit of program logic controllers. The program takes the place of much of external wiring that would be required for control of a process. Here an induction motor is there having 3 number of input terminals and 2 number of output terminals are marked here. This one is the 3 supply lines, that is L1 page, L2 page and L3 page. This one is the capacitors. These are the transformer windings, 3 windings. And then this one is the 2 number of tappings provided by the help of a transformer. This one is AC motor ammeter is connected for monitoring the current ratings. This one is the circuit breaker. This one is switch gear arrangement is there, and these are the stop switch, start switch. This was a fuse, a CPR, that is meter. This is your overload conditions, MR, FR, and FCMR. FC switch gear protection system, FR fast moving switch. This is motor. This is filter circuit. This one is FRX, and then this one is known as the squirrel cage induction motor relay, where the different relay segments are marked here, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And this one is the diagram for your internal architecture systems, in which the discharge register is connected here. There are 5 number registers are there, as R1, R2, R3 and R4. Then the capacitor FC is connected to the circuit. This one DC shunt, that is DC shunt field windings are there. DC motor is connected there. This one is a motor. This was FC. This is FR. This is FNX, FRX and FR. The program that takes place of much of the external wiring that would be required to continue control all of a process. Let's increase reliability. Once a program has been written and tested, it can be downloaded to the other PLCs. This one is the ladder diagrams, logic diagrams. In that case, which one is the LS1 diagram? This one is the TF41, T41, 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 EN. This one is DN. This one is DN. The TOF, timer of relay, delay, timer, time base, present, accumulated. This one is EN. This one is DN. This is M1, M2, GR. M1, M2, GR. This one is OL, that means output. OL, that means output. This one is L2. Since all the logic is contained in the PLC's memories, there is no chance of making a logic writing errors. So this one is the input signal. This one is L1 for a lamp, LS1. This one is for transformer. This one is the input. Next, more flexibility. The original equipments manufactured OEM, original equipment manufacturers can provide other output or updates for a process of simply sending out a new programs. It is easier to create and change a program in a PLC than to wire and rewire a circuit. This one is easier to create and change a program in a PLC than to wire and rewire a circuit. The end users can modify the program in the fields. Then this original electromagnetic field, the original the electromagnetic field, the Q magnetic field, which is this one is the general block diagram of the flexible arrangement of original equipments manufacturer systems. This one is programmable logic controllers is marked here. This one is the rotary encoder. This is cutter control. This one is wood. Suppose the wood is now pushing through a cutter bench, and where this one is programmable logic control is marked here. The rotary encoder is marked here. These are the pulses of the from the rotary encoder given to the program logic controller. Then having lower cost. Originally, the program logic controllers were designed to replace the relay control logic. The cost saving using PLCs have been so significant that relay control is becoming obsolete, or except for power applications. This one is the advantages of power logic control systems, which consist of fixed contracts. These two are the fixed contracts, and this one is spring arrangement. There, the lower arm is nothing but a spring, and the upper arm is also connected with another limb. Originally, the PLC designed to replace relay control systems, and this one is the fixed contract. This is movable contract. This one is armature. Generally, if an application requires more than about 6 control relays, it will usually be less expensive to retain all program logic controller systems. Then faster response times. The PLCs operate in real time, which means that an event taking place in the field will result in an operate for output taking places. The ministers, the machines that process thousands of items per second, and object that depends only a fractions of a second in the front of a sensor required, and the second in front of where the PLC's quick response capability. Easy to troubleshoot. The PLCs have resident diagnosis and override functions, allow the users to easily trace and control and correct the software and hardware problems. This one is the output of the model status indicator. This one is to this is wiring to output device to the wiring. D for the guard which is present in the outsides. This one is the output device, conditions of the possible protection, suitable and remarkable. This one is the PLC's other programming systems. Here power supply is there, then supply is given to the central processing unit. This one is the real output. This one is the real word, the input or output. This programming MOE. This is PLC architectures. This is PLC systems. This one is the power supply systems. This one is the central processing unit or CPU. This one is the memory. This is program and data. This is programming device. Optical isolations. This is also optical isolations. This is output module.